Hi guys, it's Kevin again and welcome back to another camping hacks, tips and tricks video. So in this quick video today we're going to be using a dry sack. This is a pretty good one, I think. This is an Woodland wet sack. Now what we're going to be doing with this is we're going to be using it as an emergency pillow. So if we've forgotten our pillow and it's essential, most people just screw the jumpers up and put them under the necks. If it's really cold and you need to wear your jumper, this is probably where this comes in pretty handy. Now, you can do this with wet sacks and dry sacks, but it has to be a reasonable dry sack. So if it will let water in, it's no good for this little hack. You don't want to inflate it too much. Roll it up, let it grab air. So now we can use this, put a bit more air in it. We can use that in our hammocks or in our tents or in our bivy bags or whatever we want. And it should go down. I did actually test this at home. I left this up for well over 24 hours and it didn't go down. So there we are. That, you know, with just your mag or any bit of clothing on, just to stop you sweating a little bit, but that will stay up all night. It will give you a better night's sleep and keep your head off the ground. So yeah, dry sack pillow. Once again guys, thanks for watching. I hope these are useful and we'll catch you in the next video.